Hello, welcome back to another video. This Chidera here, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and do not forget to hit on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, it will always get to you. And do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. So guys, today I'll be showing you how I made this yummy looking banana puff puff that you're seeing right here. Your kids are going to love it. Okay, if you're a puff puff lover, this is another way to enjoy your puff puff. And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always stopping by. Thank you for your support, thank you for your love. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this video. So guys, I'm going to start now by mashing this banana. I'm using 7 ripe small bananas. Okay, in my bowl I'll be going in with 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Six teaspoons of sugar. You can add as much or as little sugar as you want. Okay, so it depends on you. I'll add in a pinch of salt. I'll go in with my nutmeg. So I'll go in with 2 tablespoons of yeast. I'll be mixing this very well until everything is well incorporated. I will go in now with my mashed banana and I'll add in water. So guys, I'll be adding my water now. I'm going first with half cup of water. I'll be adding the water bit by bit. Okay, in total I use 2 cups of water. I'm going to mix this very well until I get the consistency that I want. So now I'm going to cover this and keep it in a warm place for 30 to 45 minutes. So guys, 45 minutes later, this is what our puff puff batter is looking at. It has proven. I'll just go in now with my spatula just to deflate it and just to release the air. Okay, so I'm just going to mix it now, like mix it for the last time. Just going with my spatula to mix it up just for the last time. Okay, so guys, if you have watched this video up until this point and you're yet to give the video a thumbs up, please help me to click on that like button. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and don't forget to leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. So guys, I'll add in my fresh pepper now, and I'll be going in with my chopped onions. I'm going to mix everything together until the batter is well mixed with the pepper and the onions, and then our puff puff batter is ready to be fried. Okay, I'm using the pick and drop method, so I'm just going to drop my puff puff into my oil. I'm frying this on medium to low heat. Okay, so guys, our puff puff is ready. I'll just keep it out from the oil now. Guys, this is what we have. Our yummy banana puff puff is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. If at this point you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and don't forget to leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. Okay, let me know what you think of this recipe. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to share my video, guys. Thank you for watching, and until I come here one next time, guys, please stay safe. Bye.